So I started by opening the image inside of Photoshop, and afterwards I removed the background and converted it to a smart object, which I now imported into the original design document. And after that, I made some selections around the visible body areas, that's the head and the hands, and I ensured that these selections were as accurate and precise as possible. And after that, I created a black and white adjustment layer and clipped it to the image as well, and I adjusted the reds and yellows a bit to brighten up the skin tones. And after that, I added a hue and saturation adjustment layer, and with the reds and yellows as my target, I adjusted the sliders to convert the color of the hoodie to a blue color because I wanted to maintain my brand colors as well. And after that, I downloaded a 2024 text effect from Freepik, and I opened it inside of Photoshop, and I turned off the layers I never needed and copied out the 2024 layer. I converted it to a smart object first before importing it into the design document, and I added another hue and saturation layer and clipped it to this 2024 layer and adjusted the sliders, the reds and yellows, to achieve the same blue color. And after doing that, I added my welcome to text and warped the text and ensured that it's well curved around the number 2 in front, and I added the Happy New Year text and another rectangle behind it and made some very little adjustments. And after that, I added this brush stroke effect, and using the hue and saturation adjustment, I reduced the saturation and made it white and increased the brightness and added the Gaussian blur. And after that, I duplicated it and brought another one, that's the copy, in front. And after some positioning, I decided to keep it like this. Yes, I guess. And after that, I added the confetti and tried to position one or two things, and I erased some parts of the confetti as well because I felt some parts were obstructing some of the text. So I added the logo as well and also tried to remove some parts of the confetti. And after that, I added this lens flare. I changed the blend mode to screen, duplicated it and positioned one on the other side, the top right, I guess. And after that, I sharpened the image using the smart sharpen filter and on sharp mask. And after that, we finally have this.